if you're following signs, sat nav, or the examiner asks you to go right, or either when you're doing the independent driving, there's two ways you could deal with it. So I'm going to start with the right hand lane. As you go around, make sure you stay on your side of the road. Follow it all around to the right. Notice how this car's moved into the left lane from the right lane whilst on the bend. Now once you deal with the turn, check your mirrors and move back into the left lane. So what that car's done is they've moved into the left lane whilst on the bend. Avoid doing that. Stay in your lane, complete it first, and then move back over to the left when it's safe to do so if you're going to go straight or left. If you're going to go right, just stay on the right hand side and move into the right lane when it's safe to do so. Again, if you're turning right at these lights, you can use either lane. So this second time I'm going to use the first lane, put a right signal on, and as you go around, make sure you stay on your side. You've got two lanes going around to the right. Stay on your side. Direction over speed. And there you go. And then if you're going to go right at the lights, move into the right hand lane when it's safe to do so. If you're going straight, stay in your lane. Just go around the cyclist. If you're going to be going straight, use your middle lane, because further up you've got a bus lane. So after the set of lights there's a bus lane, so plan ahead and just position yourself in the middle lane. If you're going to use the left lane, that's fine. Just remember there's a bus lane, moving to the right when it's safe to do so. Avoid using that right hand lane. If you find yourself in that right hand lane, put a left signal, at least show your intentions. If you can't, move into the middle lane. We're going to be taking the road on the left. This road is a 30-mile-per-hour road. You only do 30 miles per hour or the speed limit if it's safe to do so. You've got cars parked on both sides of the road. They're on the curbs as well, half the cars on the curb. Take your time. When you're approaching the situation, reduce your speed. Have a look at your windows, see if you've got space to move over or move away. Now the road actually bends around to the right, so we're going to follow it around to the right and then take the first left. Just take your time around the bend. Whatever you do not fly around it. Then we're going to take the left, and then as you turn in, make sure you stay on your side of the road. Try your best not to cut and turn in from the opposite side of the road. If you've got cars approaching or emerging from that junction, then you're going to be going into them. So again, this is still a 30 road, only if it's safe to do so. You might be on this road and not be able to do 30 miles per hour. That's fine. The speed limit only if it's safe to do so. So now we're approaching a 20-mile zone, so it's going to 20 now. So you're signing left there on the left, right, and on the ground now. So now it's 20. Currently on a 20 road. Now the speed limit changes to 30. You got the speed limit on the left there, so it's right there. You only do 30 on this road if it's safe to do so. If it's not, you've got to reduce speed. Safe to do so is it's clear. You're not going to have to slow down for anyone else, or you're not going to make anyone slow down. The road's dry, it's not pelting with hailstones. Where it's straight, you can drive at the speed limit. If you've got bends, of course you're going to have to reduce your speed. At the end of the road, we're going to be taking a right. here is slightly uphill, so make sure you got good control if you're doing a manual car. And make sure it's clear for you to go on both sides, or someone's giving you way to go. And the road bends round to the left. It's not straight, it bends round to the left.